Check, check, check. All right. All right, we're live. We are here. Welcome to it. Today is a no news Monday as we look right here. Tuesday, May 12th, we've got nothing. So, beginning of the week, we're super bullish, higher time frame. So, realistically, there may not be a setup today, but we'll see. I honestly, right now, I do kind of like where we're at. Potentially for a small short here at market open, I would like to see if we manipulate this high here, or if we want to go and hold these imbalances, or if we want to run higher, because we've got generated sell side here with a 30-minute imbalance right here as well. But I'm not married to that. If that plays out and maybe we get something that looks like it, I'd be interested in taking that trade. But otherwise, we're going to watch today. Should be a good week. I'm excited. Should be fun. Some good opportunity, hopefully. We've got news 3 days this week, so yeah. But I'm just kind of curious here. That's really what I want to watch going into open. But again, no news Monday, so we're not going to be super crazy, concerned about taking a trade today. So if it plays out, it plays out. If not, we have rebalanced the equilibrium of the range, so we don't have to go lower, but we'll see. Okay, so ES took the high, NQ didn't, so we now have an SMT. If I want a potential short play, I'd like to see it hold. I'd like to see us run an imbalance. So we'll see. But NQ will probably just run this if I had to guess. But we'll see. We shall see. If we did start to get some displacement to the downside, I would be interested in entering short. I'd kind of like to see that candle flip a little bit here rather than be bullish. So if we could get some downside, that would be pretty legit. And I would be looking for just here. 30-minute. The 30-minute is lying here. We've got all this sell side lying here. So that would what I'd be interested to see. 1 minute change of state would be right here, right here. So if we displace that, that would be kind of nice. But we'll see, man. We got about 70 seconds till market open. And we'll see what the play is. If there is a play, or if there is just a sit on our hands today. And I can tell you, if I do take a quick trade and it's good, I'm done. I'm getting out of here on a Monday. So we'll see what happens. But all right, 40 seconds still open. I do like this candle. It's starting to move a little more downside here. I would kind of want to see that into open. I do want to see us hold this SMT just to take sell side. Sell side will be right here. 874. Right? Yeah, 874. All right, 15 seconds. We're getting down. This is honestly what I wanted to see. So I could enter smaller size just because it is no news Monday. Maybe that's what we'll do. I'll move down to I don't know. We'll see. Oh my gosh. No, don't do it now. All right. I hope that we can get a decent entry here because I do like it, but all right. Let's rebalance quick. Bro, we're going to take it right now, aren't we? No shot, dude. Come on. Don't run it. No, don't run it. Wait, market. Wait. Market. Bruh, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. What the hell? All right, well, that was the setup. Could have been a 45-second day if I would have shorted right away. Well, that was fun. There goes my trading plan for the day. That was the only thing I had. Okay, well, Okay. Dang, that kind of sucks. I felt really confident with that. I should have just shorted at the SMT. Wow. Okay, well. What is this? We're displacing it too. That's a 30-minute we just ran through there, so we'll see if that wicks or... Wow. All right. Well, really wish I would have caught that, but... Dude. What the frick? 100-point dump. My goodness, I would have caught 50 there. That's frustrating. Could have ended the No News Mondays and get out of here on a Monday, dude. Jeez. That's all right. It happens, man. I'm just looking at my individual portfolio right now. We're looking okay. We're looking okay right now. The market is in a good spot. China tariffs are like going down, so you know, we're looking good. Yeah, man, market's in a good spot. Portfolios are looking nice. Crypto's looking nice right now, man. Everything's looking pretty good right now. RR's up to 207. XRP's up to... What is XRP at? 261? XRP going crazy. Bitcoin 104. My goodness. Go crazy. Solana 176. Ethereum 2500. Wow. All right, boys. We might be back. We may be back. We may be back. Solana 176. Dang. Well, hey, you know, mornings like that happen. You don't really get that much opportunity. Looking back, like, if I am confident with this, I mean, again, it's market open, so I didn't want it to just be like, boom. But, yeah, the short, I mean, the play is the change in the state right here. And, yeah, my entry would have been skewed, but target would have hit. So, I mean, it would have been just fine. But, you know, it obviously sucks because that was exactly what I wanted to see, and it happened, and I didn't really get an opportunity to enter. But I don't think there's anything wrong with entering here, but at the same time, you're running the risk of market open just wicking higher, or just, you know. So it is what it is. You know, I'm happy I at least spotted it out, but these are trades that I need to start capitalizing on. Like, if I'm gonna do this full time, like, I need to be able to capitalize on the opportunity that I'm confident with, right? And so, you know, it is what it is, but yeah, and yeah, we're dumping here. That's crazy. Potentially see this level probably. That's probably my guess. So we'll see here. 780. I don't know. This is the hard part when you especially have these big moves up. Like, where are you going to rebalance to? You know what I mean? Like, where's the... I mean, what is that? Like, that's a 1 minute candle. You gonna where are you gonna rebalance? You know. We also have gap, new week opening gap, so, and I do think this bullish move could have been. I don't know if this was a news related like tariff move because the tariffs were announced with China like yesterday. So I don't know. But yeah, we're bullish as nuts. So Trump economy's back, baby. We're so back. Faked everybody out of the market. Now we're pumping, dude. And guess who bought that dip? Yours truly. Buy the dip. Never panic sell. Man. Yeah, I mean, it's a little frustrating this morning, but again, I'm not going to like sit here and low-key just bitch about it. Like, you know. I'm gonna keep trading, man. We're gonna keep watching. Right now I can't really touch anything now. That was kind of the only thing I really wanted to see. I'd be interested to see if we sweep this sell side low here, 770 area, 780 area. See if we SMT that, or if we want to keep going lower, or what. But I don't need this line anymore. Yeah, I don't know. There's been some pretty good opportunity, man. This is a nice long I took last week, an FOMC long here. Swept liquidity right here. Bigger time frame fair value gap. I caught a pretty decent move, so that was cool. But I don't think I got my full cons off. I think I got stopped in break even. Like, I took half my cons off, and the other ones got stopped, which kind of sucks, but it's all right. Oh, man. Monday morning, man. New week. We're here. It's going to be a good week, I feel. You know, we're gonna have a good week. I'm excited. But I'll never get used to this. This is how I want to live. Forever we'll be singing like. All right, did we sweep it? Looks like we did. We're about to. Looks like we are about to. So I'd be curious to see what ES does here at this low. Equal lows right now. I just gotta run it. Just gotta run it here. All right. I'm curious. So there's a sweep. Do we displace it? Do we manipulate it? Do we wick it? Let's see. So this is an SMT now with ES. Honestly, if we are pretty bearish, which we have been so far in the first 10 minutes here, we will probably just dump through this, and probably go lower to equilibrium or OTE, or I'm not sure. Man, I am upset about that though. I'm not gonna lie. It kind of sucks, man. You're so confident what's gonna happen, and then it just happens, and you didn't enter. Whether it was lack of confidence or you just couldn't, but it is what it is, man. We'll get there. It's a learning experience, man. It's all part of the game. So now I'd be interested to see what we do here. Where would discount be? What did I just do? Oh. Don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna chase. I'm not taking any trades today, man. That was the one trade I wanted, and it played within 30 seconds of open. So, yeah, no trading for me today. That was it. That was gonna be the trade, and I couldn't catch it. So, but I'm gonna watch probably till 9 o'clock, and then I'll probably hop off just because it's Monday and I got stuff to do, and it's no news. So I'm not gonna sit here and, Try to chase something. So yeah, we'll see. Hang out for 10, 15 more minutes, and yeah. Forever we'll be singing now. Oh, I'll never get used to this. Well, displacing. Looks like yes, potentially will run. We'll look to run this. Let's see. I'll never get used to this. Dang, we are dumping, man. That's a coming up on 200-point move here in the first 15 minutes of market open. It's kind of crazy. That's volatility, man. Probably just catching back some of this move, starting to rebalance a little bit. Like, gotta take some buyers out here. Probably buyer exhaustion, man. We gotta sell off a little bit here, you know. And there it was. Oh, dude, I just like, it was there, bro. But again, what can you do? I need to stop talking about it. And again, I ain't gonna let it ruin my day, because my day is, I'm only about 2.5 hours into my day, so I don't want to cook the other 14 hours of my day. So we're gonna, I don't know, man. I got some coffee after this, man. I thought about getting some pre-market, but I didn't want to miss anything. But dude, the market is in a freaking good place, man. My goodness. I was looking at my crypto and my individuals, my Roth, dude. It's good, man. It's good. Good place to be. I'll never get used to this. Forever we'll be singing now. I'll never get used to this. 11K? Alright. Not too bad. Not too shabby. I'll never get used to this. I'll never get used to this. I don't know. That song's stuck in my head. Heard it this morning. It's a good song. Man, life is good, man. I don't know. I'm just sitting here just like, life is good, man. Life is good. Oh, end of pay period today? Okay. For my job. Okay. Cool. All right, man. Yeah, life is good, man. Again, I want to see. So we're holding this SMT, but I have a feeling it's going to get ran. I mean, if you look, we're still bearish here. We're holding bearish order flow. We're not reversing at all. So my guess is this gets ran in here probably in the next couple minutes. And at that point, it's probably just going to be a free fall. So I can't imagine there'll be a ton of opportunity here today. Again, no news Monday. I think the only real good opportunity was right here, and I actually really liked it. But again, when you get boom, not much you can do. Literally within 30 seconds of open. Like the first minute of open, we were past the draw. So, yeah. It's a 50-point move. It was going to be a pretty nice trade. Probably 40, 50 points we would have caught. A little scalp in the morning, but yeah, it happens. Sometimes the market moves just a little too fast. But points for the right bias, I guess, right? Some wicks down here. I want to take a look at the hourly. Excuse me. I can't imagine us rebalancing all the way down to the midnight opening gap, but you never know. Or new week opening gap, sorry. Not midnight opening gap. New week opening gap. I can't imagine us rebalancing that far, but obviously you never know. I guess I could go over to. So my reasoning for this trade this morning that I wanted to see, obviously. When I zoomed in, when I was checking it, I think we were like right around here somewhere. This candle wasn't fully out yet. It was like 9:15. And we had all this liquidity here. So if we even zoom in to a 5-minute or even to a 1-minute, you can see all this resting sell side liquidity here. And it was right at the 30-minute fair value gap. And we had no other fair value gap to rebalance to. And so we had bearish order flow for the morning, right? So we've displaced, created a fair value gap, held their fair value gap here, moved lower, had change in the states, right? So it's like, actually, no, we didn't have a change in this. Sorry, this was the change in the state. We didn't have a change in the state yet. But we're holding bearish order flow, right? You displace lower. You come back up, hold a 5-minute fair value gap very cleanly, displace, boom. And what I wanted to see at this high coming in to open, what if we wanted to manipulate or if we just want to run higher. And obviously we held the SMT. I would have liked to see a little slower of a move down, but obviously you guys saw it just went boom, and that was like all that we got. So could I have entered on that second one? Yeah, but my mind was just going a little crazy because stuff was happening really fast. But so yeah, perfect. I think it played perfectly. I really like the setup. And we have a little reason to rebalance. We've been so bullish, kind of had some accumulation here. So like accumulation, manipulation, distribution potentially. Although the manipulation usually has to happen up here in an AMD. So, but yeah, again, I really liked it. I thought it was a good trade. Just didn't catch it. But we are maybe starting to rebalance. I don't know. This is just going to be kind of slow, I think. I think from here we're just going to chop around. I think the morning objective was down here and obviously probably here. So we've SMT'd it. So I can't expect a lot more to happen That's okay. I'm going to wrap it up here. I don't want to stick around too long and just watch because I don't really see anything happening. I think a lot of structure needs to build out before we're going to get an idea of what's going to happen next for a setup. And it's a No News Monday again. So, yeah, that is the morning. Quick morning. Not really much. Uneventful. Some days you'll have that. That's all a part of the game. But we will see you guys whenever the next stream is. So y'all have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful Monday. And take care of yourselves.